Hey everyone, are you facing a cloud activation lock links or locked corners on any iPhone device? How do you fix it at your home without any hassles with the help of PC or laptops? Yes, either your device is in the solid mode, lost mode, blacklisted. In each situation, the blindly and safely you can quickly within 5 minutes you can fix it. So as we see right now, this is a locked corner. So just we will go for an administration, that is especially empty no share for you key tool. It is a lot of the feature has been especially in a one software, that is a we can unlock the screen passcode. We can also especially remove, that is especially yes, Apple ID from any iPhone device without having the password, and we can turn off, of course, we can turn off Find My iPhones and turn that special device mobile management locks. That also we can bypass quickly, manage our password, screen time passcode. But here is a problem that locked owner means activation lock link. So simply just we will click here, no required the jailbreak. So just simply we will go for a start. So it's a getting information guys, and we will see further, and it's totally live in front of you guys. So don't skip ahead. Every step is going to be very crucial and very easiest way at your home. If you're having this kind of the challenge, so don't panic easily. Now here is some instruction that we will have to follow. Follow the instruction that we will have to hold the down button and power button, and for 5 seconds after especially power button we have to release, so it will go in a recovery to DFU. So let's put firstly down volumes, and then we will go for a start, and let's see, and yes, power key, yes, and then we will have to guide it according to that. Release especially power key and keep holding down button, yes, down button. So now it has been pressed into the especially there, and quickly see we have started to the remove of that. So we are waiting for the results now and see what's going to happen here. Yes, we are waiting for results, and totally live in front of you. A second is already. So guys, and see what's the easiest way ever I can experience by using these tools, guys. So now we have the response especially 29%. Just waiting. So now it is on a black screen, no problem at all. So we will have to wait here. Maybe especially 2 to 3 times it will restart. So don't worry, we will have to wait here. Yes, still it's taking time. Fine, no problem at all. Just within 5 minutes it can be a fix. Now almost we have reached on 38%, 39%, 40%, 41%. Fine, we will see here. Yes, now see here. There's 12 links, of course. Now below the description box I will give you download links there. Directly you can download from there. Now see here, 59% is still waiting for the results. Let's see. Yes, it is taking times. Yes, we will have to wait here. No problem at all. Yes, still it is taking times. Now see here on a screen it has started to bypass. So now we will have to wait here, no problem at all, till it's not going to succeed completed, or it's not notifying any notification on this tool. It will guide you guys. Yes, it will notify you also that if there is any errors. So now see, removal has been successfully completed, guys. So now what we will do here, just let it restart and we will see the result of it. So see here, it's restarting. To know more information about this tool, you can visit on there. There is also discount, especially on a Christmas. Of course, you can visit. A lot of the software has been developed, but right now we have to use this tool. Now directly we come on a hello screen and go for it. What's the magically, guys? Easiest way ever get experience by using this tool. So this is all about in this video tutorial. Thank you for staying till the end of this tutorial. Thank you very much, and have a great time. Bye bye.